Welcome to the 2026 AI Prompt Survival Manual. In this video, we'll explore 10 critical frameworks essential for the modern AI operator. The era of basic prompting is over. To gain a competitive advantage, you must move from simply asking to actively engineering. Survival now requires precision, shifting from basic validity to full autonomy. Tier 1, the truth layer, focuses on verification. The chain of verification, or COVE, counters hallucinations by requiring the AI to self-audit, verify facts, and revise its answers. The contextual deep dive framework addresses data overload. Provide multiple documents and instruct the AI to find conflicting information and suggest the most authoritative source based on specific criteria. The semantic refiner prevents generic, robotic output. Give the AI examples of your writing style. Then ask it to analyze the syntax, tone, and vocabulary and rewrite content in that exact style. Moving to Tier 2, the growth layer, we have the self-correction loop. Counter blind spots by having the AI act as a skeptical auditor of its own first draft, then rewrite the output based on that critique. The prompt jailbreak auditor protects against security vulnerabilities and bias. Instruct the AI to analyze a prompt for cognitive biases and injection vulnerabilities, then suggest a neutral, robust rewrite. The recursive learner framework helps you keep up with new technology. Request an explanation of a concept for a beginner, then for an expert, and finally, ask for practice problems to test true understanding. Tier 3, the command layer, introduces the multi-agent architect. Combat single perspective bias by having the AI assemble a team of virtual experts to debate a project's risks and benefits from their unique domains. The strategic what-if simulator addresses economic volatility. Simulate the impact of a specific event on your business using optimistic, realistic, and catastrophic scenarios. Then, run a pre-mortem for each. The synthetic data generator overcomes the lack of real-world training data. Generate high-quality user personas, complete with psychological drivers and technical pain points, ensuring a diverse demographic distribution. Tier 4, the agentic layer, features the autonomous action scripter. This closes the gap between thought and execution by breaking down a complex goal into a sequence of JSON-formatted steps for autonomous agents to execute. This is the 2026 Operators Grid, summarizing the 10 frameworks across 4 layers: truth, growth, strategy, and action. Select the framework that matches the complexity of your current problem. Your implementation strategy is not to memorize, but to template. Hard-code these prompts into a snippet manager. Define your variables for recurring inputs, and iterate output using self-correction. Remember, the framework defines the output. In 2026, intelligence is not just in the model. It is fundamentally in the architecture of your request. Engineer accordingly.